What happened?
Oh. She belly fought. Big blood.
And there was blood?
Yes.
Did you cry?
She's eating cake.
Whose birthday is it?
Adam!
Yeah. Are you having a good birthday so far, Adam?
Yeah.
Good, good. Are you excited about your party? Don't be disgusting, Adam. I'm not really. Annabelle, what color is the lid on your cup?
Yellow.
Yeah?
Red.
No, yellow. What color is your fork?
Red.
No?
Red.
Pink.
Yellow.
Pink.
Yellow.